How's everybody doing? Hopefully good. Just going to give everybody a minute to get on here, and then we will run the randoms for this Prism retail box. All right, got all our teams listed here. Atlanta Hawks on top. Washington Wizards on the bottom. Have a list of everybody participating in the break. Jeff D, David F with 4 spots, Nancy S with 3 spots, Thomas C with 2 spots, Ryan P with 4 spots, Kim J with 2 spots, Anthony R with 3, Mark M with 2, Cyrus K with 1 spot, Zach A with 4, Jason L, Tyler L with 2 spots, and Michael R with the last spot. Forgot to open the spreadsheet here. Let's get that open really quick. Just set up the spreadsheet here really quick. Sorry, I thought I had that ready to go. Alright, so first we're going to run the teams. We'll roll the dice, see how many times we're going to run it. Seven times. And 7. Alright, we got the Cleveland Cavaliers on top. Oklahoma City Thunder on the bottom. Alright, roll the dice again. See how many times we run the participants. 4 times. 1. Three and 4. All right, we got Ryan P on top, Zach A on the bottom. Alright, so we got Ryan P with the Cavs, Anthony R with the Heat, Kim J with the Golden State Warriors, Jeff J with Denver Nuggets, Thomas C with Los Angeles Clippers, Anthony R with Sacramento Kings, David F, Indiana Pacers, Ryan P, Portland Trailblazers, Tyler L, Phoenix Suns, David F, Utah Jazz, Zach A, Boston Celtics, Nancy S, Detroit Pistons, Jason L, Memphis Grizzlies, Zach A, New Orleans Pelicans, Michael R, the Spurs, Ryan P, the Mavericks. We have Thomas C with the Nets, Ryan P with the Wolves, Nancy S with the Bucks, Tyler L, Raptors, Nancy S, Rockets, Mark M, Wizards, Kim J, Sixers, Cyrus K, Hawks, Mark M, Magic, David F, Hornets, Anthony R, Knicks, Zach A, Bulls, David F, Lakers, Zach A, Thunder. Alright, so we've got 4 cards per back, 24 cards per box, or 24 packs per box, 1 auto. $24 packs, so let's do this in quarters. We'll open up 6 packs at a time and see what we're looking at. Good luck, everybody. This is 2019-2020 Prism Retail. Alright, Joe Ingles, Jabari Parker, of a silver going to the Warriors. Kobe Bryant. Jalen Noel rookie. Romeo Langford. LeBron hyped. Brendan Clark rookie. Miles Turner red. Not numbered. RJ Barrett. I'll go ahead and see that. Centering looks decent. I'm definitely no pro at grading, but doesn't look too bad. Alright, Thaddeus Young, Green Prism, non-numbered. Kemba. McGee. A Giannis green. Not numbered. Grant Williams rookie. PJ Washington silver. Klay Thompson. DeAndre Hunter rookie. Colin Sexton silver. Going to the Cavs. Well, I've got to get better at keeping focus here, sorry. Larry Bird. Pete Maravich silver, Pistol Pete. Going to Utah. All right, halfway through, no Ja Morants or Zions yet, but still half more to go. Quinn Cook is our little. $150. All right, so we will have to random that after the break's over. Don't let me forget. Jason Kidd. The silver rookie, Isaiah Roby, not the one we're looking for. Hold on to that though, you never know. Chris Paul and a Luka Green going to the Mavs. Beautiful card. Kobe White rookie. Giannis. Last six. I know the quality is not the best, especially with my camera work. I'm going to do my best to get better and better and keep working. And I think it's a huge improvement from our last break we did, so believe it or not. But I will definitely watch this afterwards and look at all the things I do wrong and do my best to make them better. One thing I need to work on is getting comments up on the board, so that way I can communicate if anybody needs anything, if anybody has any questions. Right now I'm really concentrating my best on just getting the quality of the breaks, the volume right, little things like that that I struggle with learning. All right, last 6 packs. Josh Hart silver. Jackson Hayes rookie. Magic. Jason Tatum. Lonzo Ball. Bagley red. Bull. Donovan Mitchell silver. This is our little rookie. Karl Anthony Towns green. Alright, that's it. Other than the 150 reward points. See how many times we're going to run it? 10 times. Alright, whoever's on top, I'm just going off of where we finished. Whoever's on top after 10 randoms gets the 150 points. Oh, okay, so it's counting, so we need to go up to 14. Did roll a 10, right? Yes, 10. But it counted our randoms from before, so we're going up to 14. Alright, good luck. Cyrus K getting 150 points. Alright guys, thank you for participating. We got a couple more breaks up on the website, on Facebook, up on eBay if you guys want to check them out. And like I said, I'm just going to do my best to make this a better experience for you guys, and we'll start doing some free giveaways or something soon too. So thank you everybody. I'll get these shipped out right away.